Name baby girl Hinza means beautiful. Next name baby girl Faria means gift of God. Next name baby girl Lina means softness. Next name baby girl Jiza means reward. Beautiful name baby girl Mirsha means beautiful. Next name baby girl Taneem means morning. खूबसूरत सा name Jamim means blessing of God. Beautiful name. Next name baby girl Najwa means confidential talk. Next name baby girl Nehana means beautiful. Next name baby girl Zaiba means beautiful. Next name baby girl name Nizil means delicate. Next name baby girl Zuni means creative. Next name baby girl Azwa means light. Next name baby girl. Beautiful name Inaya means concern. Next name baby girl Zirwa. Zirwa name means the very best. Next name baby girl Zimal means heaven flowers. Next name baby girl Ladies Zira means rising of light. Next name baby girl Zana means beauty. Next name baby girl very beautiful. Farzeen means intelligent. Next name baby girl beautiful. Fatin means charming. Next name baby girl Mahveen means sunlight. Next name baby girl Iza means bright light. Next name baby girl Mehek means prayer. Next name baby girls Manha means gift of God. Next name beautiful baby girl Zehra. Zehra means sweet. Next name baby girl beautiful Ibana means gift. Next name baby girl Era means respectable. Era. Next name baby girls Anam means create. Next name baby girls very beautiful Fiza means breeze. Next name baby girls very beautiful Isna means light. Next name baby girls Haneen means strong love. Next name baby girls Zoya means loving. Next name baby girls Maliba means beautiful. Next name baby girls Mehiza means quarter of moons. Next name baby girl Marisha means beautiful. Navera means light of sun. Next name baby girl is Hazwa means highness. खूबसूरत सा नाम. Next name Ishal means special flower of heaven. Next name baby girl is Hila means hope. Next name baby girl is Marhin means beautiful. Next name baby girl is Maha means large eyes. Next name beautiful baby girl Anna means patient. Next name is beautiful Eva to protect fragrance.